Alright guys, today is an historic day, which I might tear up a little bit, but as you know, it's about time that we retire this body. It's sure seen a heck of a lot. I mean, the thing, there's not really much left to it, just pancakes. And as you know from the title of this video, today is the day. It's been a long, I'd say 8 months that this body has been running on the LST. As you know, there's a lot of crashes with this thing, like a lot. A lot of them were painful, some not as painful. Which these are what these tallies are meant for. This is every like documented crash that's like that actually like broke something or, you know, major damage on the body. Do I even have to explain what I'm gonna do today? I'm sure you guys already know. Let's get right to it. Alright people, it's about time. And check this out right here. So I just cut up the new body. Things looking real good. Unfortunately, my paint job didn't come out as good as I wanted to. I used old masking tape. I recommend if you're gonna do a, like a show body, get yourself some new tape. This won't be a show body. I'll be beating on this thing. It'll look like this in a year, or probably less than that. It's about time I got myself a new body, as this thing's just gross. Look at this. Alright guys, so I just peeled off all the wrapping. Looking pretty clean underneath. Minor imperfections, minor. That's pretty bad actually. I must have scratched that with my blade accidentally. That's really it. The side's looking real good. Same thing with the other side, except that little blemish. Hey, you can't make everything perfect. I know a lot of you guys are going to be shouting it down at the comments. Oh, it could have been perfect. Yeah, I don't really care. This thing's going to be beaten on. I did cut this thing really good, though. I am very good at cutting bodies. I'm just not good at masking. Maybe that's an equipment failure. Maybe that's just me having a lack of patience. Whatever it is, though, it's in the past now. It's time to move forward. And I got some decals for it. I'm a decal hoarder, as you can see right here. But I do got them. Here they are. Also guys, I do have these older Team LST decals, which I was gonna do. This will probably be in a, if I do like the body perfect, these will be like the show body decals, and these will be like the beater body, because I don't really like these logos. I like these ones better. Who knows, maybe I'll throw those on right now. I'll think about it. I'll give it some thought, and I'll get back to work. Alright people, first decal. I got my haywire decal on there. Blending in pretty good. Now's the time. The moment you've all been waiting for. Oh yeah. Boom. Alright guys. So the body's all done. It's looking really good. Got the decals all on. I went with the Team LST Racing decals. I didn't go with the old school ones. I'll save those for another day, as this body I'll probably, destroy. And I'll pick up a show body and do that one to near perfection. I won't be running the window nets. Maybe I will, but these ones are pretty ratty, and I don't want to tape them onto the body yet. I'll be ordering some new window nets. I do have the lights on here, which I just screwed them in. And it's been, 8 months or so. Finally, I got a good looking body. Yeah, it's time to discard this old thing. Poor thing. Go ahead. Alright, I'm sorry people. This thing's just pissing me off too much. And go ahead and touch it up like a used car dealership. Alright everybody, so I ended up putting a Dubro, clip retainer in there, just on the front. The rear I don't have yet. I'll order that later soon also. And that's really it for the truck. I'm ready to go now, and it's time, to stop doing this and more, Alright, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the footage. I'd like to give you a moment just to take a long look at this body. As I'd hate to say it, but this might be the best this body will ever look. And until next time, when we probably destroy this body and absolutely ruin all my work I did yesterday. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And we'll get some new videos soon of the LST. Now that's got a brand new body. Also, I'd like to show you guys. Whoop. Did you see that? I'll show you one more time. Don't worry. Don't worry. Yeah, that guy right there. Yeah, stay tuned for that also. And if any of you guys haven't subscribed yet, Ducky over here would like you to subscribe. He actually says to subscribe right now. Don't waste any time. And if you don't take Ducky's advice, Ducky says that bad things will happen to you. Ducky knows a few people, if you know what I mean. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.